Okay, we'll start. Okay. So, hi guys, you're tuning in to the Decode podcast. This is the 5th episode we're shooting here. My name is Inosh Fernando. I am your host. I'm joined with Joanne Leila, my co-host. So, before we start, we'll thank our main sponsors, which is the YMCA Sri Lanka, as well as the Nest by Hub9, and also our venue, which is our venue partner, and also our sponsors, DTX Drinks and Revive Clothing. So, yeah, Joanne.
Yeah, so for those of you who don't know, Decode is a platform for young individuals, genius individuals who are doing a difference in the society, and this is a place where they can come talk about things that people are not talking, out in public. So just like I always say, we have a very special person joining us today. I would say this person is like a chameleon, right?
Yep.
A chameleon. She keeps on like
Chameleon.
Chameleon. Okay.
Chameleon is okay.
Chameleon. I like it.
She, I would say she's like, this
Basically, she's in
vibrant,
vibrant, full positive.
creature.
Don't say that.
Yeah, creature, right? So, would you like to?
Yes. So she is the co-founder of TNA Fitness. She's a dance fit instructor. She's a ballroom dancer. She's also the product developer for Mark and Spence. Guys, let me also our upcoming TikTok star. Or she is a TikTok star. Okay, guys, let me introduce.
Hi.
Welcome.
What an introduction. Thank you.
I'm plus one.
And plus one.
And her password.
Forceful plus one. Okay.
We actually forced him to come in. He was like, "You forced me." It's okay. Anyways,
So it's so nice to have you on the
thank
show.
you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
So there was something really special about your name, when I actually contacted you.
Yeah.
I actually want to bring it out,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So her name is spelled with a J.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's actually a Y. So when you say it's Tarya,
Absolutely.
so how annoying is that?
Oh
when-
my god, I can't tell you, John. Like every time someone meets me for the first time,
Yeah.
I have to correct them and say, my name's actually Tara. It's rude,
It
I mean,
is
like,
rude.
and it's rude, but I have to do it. I'm like, sorry guys, this
Yeah.
is how my name's pronounced. I was born in Finland.
Mhm.
All right.
My mom decided to give me a Finnish name.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
So is there like a Finnish way of saying this name?
Yeah, they say it like
Tarja.
Tarja,
Tarja.
Tarja,
Tarja.
you know?
Tarja, okay.
Yeah. So like the name list she got was Maina, Lena. So Ammi was like, okay, I couldn't name you Maina and Lena and bring you back to Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So then Tarja was on the list. So she thought, that's nice. Sri Lankan people will be able to pronounce Tarja.
Mhm.
Boy, was she wrong.
Oh God.
Because with the
She comes here
spelling,
with
with the
G.
spelling, yeah.
Yeah.
But I mean, no, I think my name is fairly unique for
It
Sri
is
Lanka,
unique.
for
It
Sri
is
Lanka,
definitely
right?
unique.
So, but in Finland it's very common.
Okay.
Huh.
Because I was like mind boggled. I'm like, what? It's a silent Y? Okay, never mind. That's kind of.
that's what it is.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's great.
So Tarja, let's just give a brief about what you do, who you are, how you came up with this. Everyone knows about her. She is very famous here.
God.
But like for the first time in Decode podcast, we just like to know from your side.
Okay. Well, I studied fashion designing.
Mhm.
Okay, so my master's is actually in art, media, and design.
Yeah.
Right? And I first graduated from AOD.
Mm-hmm.
Then I went to England, finished my higher studies there. That's like my academic, side. Yeah. Then alongside that, when I was 11, 13, I started ballroom dancing. And oh my God, that is like my passion in life, I just really took it to heart. And I competed.
Okay.
So I did it professionally. Then when I went to England, I competed there. So I think I have, come a fair journey in my ballroom dancing as well. What else? Okay, so then that's that. And then when I came here, I started dance fitness because as a dancer, you have to stay fit,
Yes.
of course. And I really got into it when I was in the UK training for competitions there,
Yeah.
because the standard of competition level there is like you have to be on top of your game.
Yeah.
So got into it there, came down to Sri Lanka, started like Zumba. Actually, I started with Zumba. Then I thought, no, I'm going to do my own thing.
Mhm.
So I did dance fit.
Mhm.
Then of course when Alberto joined, in a nutshell, I'm giving you like a Zoom summary,
Yeah.
like
No,
really
no,
quick
yeah.
summary.
No, it's okay.
Then when Alberto joined, we started TNA Fitness. We were working at High Octane Fitness before.
Does
For
Alberto
about 5.5.
dance? Does he dance?
Actually, we met at a
Social.
dance class.
Social-
we met at
social
salsa.
dance.
Okay, okay.
So yeah,
That's it.
not like at a competitive level,
Okay.
socially. And yeah, so then that's how TNA Fitness started.
Mhm.
So that's that.
Yeah.
And gosh, that's me in a really quick nutshell.
So, like, tell us something about TNA. Like, what was your
Yeah.
like main? Because this
TNA
show is
is-
about like entrepreneurs, right? So
Right.
this is something that you have started. Right?
Yes,
so
we started.
Give your voice out there.
So actually, we've been, I've been 5 years at High Octane, and
Mhm.
always thinking that the day of tomorrow, you have to do your own thing.
Yeah, yeah,
Because at one point I cannot be with 60 years doing spinning classes, or
yeah.
maybe, but it will not be the same right now.
Okay.
So you always look to get a place that you can run and just to go level up, do something else.
Something
no?
different. Yeah.
Yeah, and the last years we've been looking for a place, looking for the moment to do it, and
Mhm.
to be honest, it's not easy. All the place.
Yeah, it's
the
not
location,
easy.
location.
We couldn't find a place, and it was mainly the place that was kind
yeah,
of
because
weighing
here in
us
Sri
down.
Lanka, the thing is you don't have this place that the people walk and has to
Come in.
get the location.
Location,
Because the traffic is
location,
crazy.
location.
Location.
Yes,
Parking.
And parking.
Because
Yes.
you guys don't like to walk.
I'll be lazy. Yes.
No, it's
No,
one
we-
thing. It's one thing that actually I
Yeah,
miss
yeah.
from Europe is like we walk everywhere.
Sri Lanka loves convenience.
No, you go from the point. Actually, I'm more pale here than in UK because you go from the point A to the point B in a car, and that's it.
Mhm.
The weather doesn't help, and the streets doesn't help.
Yeah, yeah.
So fair enough.
Yeah.
So you don't have parking, you don't have clients, you don't have business. So what's the point?
Yeah. Yeah.
We need parking.
Exactly. So basically, with this lockdown, we
It's
cannot
tough.
go to work.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So we started to do it online thanks to her, the Instagram.
No,
Your
it's because I
Instagram-
pushed him because I was like,
Because
right.
Friends.
I hate
Back
to be in
home,
front
he
of a camera.
hates
Okay.
I don't
interviews,
feel
he hates
comfortable.
being
Yeah.
in front of a camera.
Yeah.
As you know, the
Mhm.
fuss that it took for him to sit here.
Yeah.
No,
So-
because I don't
Yeah.
feel very comfortable with
Comfortable.
English
Yeah,
or
yeah.
No, it's
like
no
communicating because
Yeah, you don't need to worry about that.
No, but
People-
this
yeah,
is
but
what
yeah,
happened.
yes,
So
it's
she
agreeable.
was like, okay, let's do this,
Yeah.
the Instagram live.
So we went live for 1 month, right? No, for the
No,
whole COVID
90
that
days, no.
period.
Okay.
1 month and a half.
Yeah, we went live.
Yeah.
So I mean, it's not like we charged people. We
Yeah.
just went live.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, and then we realized that people just started following us and following our
A lot.
workouts, and we had people saying like, oh, we wake up in the morning to do your workout,
Yeah,
because we kept it consistent. We
that
were
is
like
so
every
good.
day at 10 o'clock in the morning.
Consistency is
Yeah,
key
we
also.
kept it.
Yeah.
And they're like, no, we literally wake up and do your workout online.
Yeah.
And people were communicating, sending messages, sending selfies of their workouts.
And
And
as well,
so
you were from all
it
over
was
the place, from
amazing.
all around the world.
Yeah, not just Sri Lanka. So
Ah,
we
okay,
had Aussie.
worldwide,
Yeah,
international.
yeah,
We
I can
had,
say.
Okay, okay.
what were the countries?
We have from Japan, Thailand, Aussie, Maldives, India, I think, Europe,
Mhm.
States.
Mhm.
Basically everywhere.
Yeah.
Like,
The power of social
gosh,
media.
it was amazing.
So at one point after like 1 month and a half doing it for free in Instagram
Mm.
and looking that for me to work
Mm.
like physically with
Yeah.
my clients was not going to happen,
Yeah.
we decided to start the classes on Zoom. So then
Yeah.
you can make it more
Make it like more exclusive
Yeah.
and then
And- charge for that.
yeah.
I think like,
Yeah.
How did you all incorporate the charging factor? Now, if you go Instagram Live, you can't charge.
You
no,
can- no.
exactly. So that's the reason that we changed to Zoom.
Yeah.
Because you
In
can.
Zoom?
Zoom.
Ah,
I
okay.
send you the invitation,
Ah, right, right.
and then I can.
Zoom
So what
has
I
actually helped a lot.
what
of
we
people.
did is okay. This is the package that we have.
Uh-huh.
All right. You want 10 workouts, 20 workouts, or whatever.
Mhm.
You pay online
Pay
and then
online
we give you
and
the link.
Ah, right.
Exactly. So then we can control that. And to be honest and tell you the truth, I thought that 5 people will join.
Okay, okay.
And
No,
thank you.
Thank
you know.
so much. It's like-
5 no, because for at that time everyone was doing classes for free in Instagram.
Yes, yes. And also, not a lot of people know about Zoom and how to handle it in Sri Lanka.
No, it was a learning curve for us as well.
Ah,
Because
yeah,
I mean, we
yeah.
had never
Yeah,
been
I
on
never-
Zoom
I mean,
before.
we never knew Zoom,
The
right?
sound is
I
not
was like,
working.
"Oh,
Yes,
the sound is not
yeah.
working, and you know, this is like we can't hear well, and
So we
you
did
know.
a few tryouts, like
Yeah.
a tryouts, and to be honest, the moment that we put it up,
Yeah.
the response was
Yeah.
insane.
Yeah.
That's actually how I would say TNA began.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah,
that's
that's the way.
actually how our brand together began, because I would do the workouts
Because
with
we have
him.
to.
Yeah.
I used to do Dance Fit online as well. So the
Yeah.
brand began there thanks to COVID.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, yes.
Because-
Thank you, COVID.
One good thing came out of you.
Yeah.
So yeah, thanks to that. Then luckily, Al actually found a place
Mhm.
totally by whim. Like
Mhm.
he was just looking one day and he just saw this ad and he's like, oh, okay, let me just try. Like not physically like going after it.
Yeah.
Just try it. Call the guy and he's like, yeah, okay, come.
And then.
And the location was Flower Road, like
Oh.
Whoa.
spot bang, very central.
Yes.
Favorite
So-
places, House of Wines by the side.
Yeah.
No.
For us,
We
I was
like
looking
our
at one
wine.
of your videos, right?
Yeah.
So you're like dance instructor
Yeah,
here, and
yeah.
he's doing his workouts,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it's so energetic, and I'm like, damn, like people are just so active, right? And I just like looking at it because it's like so good.
It is actually, yeah.
The
It
energy,
gets
I
some
will
good
say.
focus
yeah,
also.
Yeah.
we are kind of loud and shouting.
Yeah, where we are quite hyper
No.
that way.
Yeah.
So yeah, so basically that's how it started. Then thanks to this place, we started in March.
No, online
I don't know.
we start in March, 14th of March.
Yeah, and then
Like a proper
studio?
business in May and the studio at the end of August. Actually,
August.
it's pretty new.
end of
Mm.
August.
So like, you guys do fitness workout, right?
Yeah.
And you have to be fit,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So how would you? What's your fitness routine like? Diet and all that kind of
You go.
stuff.
Wait. Is diet important? No. Okay.
You go.
Yes. Yes.
Alright, good. I will speak from theory.
Yes.
We need theory.
Is diet important?
Yeah, the diet is important.
And
Okay.
then speak from your heart. And yeah. Okay.
Yes. Yes. We want that raw
I
thing.
junk as much as I can.
yeah. Real, the truth, right?
No, that's the truth. No,
Yeah.
as well. The amount of exercise that I do and the amount of energy that I burn per day is almost double than a normal person.
Mm-hmm.
So I can eat whatever I want to, but it's true when I eat clean, my body feel it much better than when I junk. But to be honest, it's more easy eat junk than
Eat
health.
clean.
Yeah.
Clean, because
Yeah.
clean you have to go cooking, prepare,
Yeah.
and it's hard. But to be honest, when you eat proper, the body.
Tara, do you have like
Oh gosh.
whatever he has?
Well, yeah, so yeah, no, it's pretty much the same thing. We are not the kind of fitness duo that will be like, oh my god, like count your calories and don't
Yeah,
eat
We
this,
don't
don't
promote.
eat that.
We don't promote that.
We
Because
don't
some people
promote
do
that
that, right?
either.
But if you want
Not
to,
that it's not important, you can, but that's a dedication in itself.
Okay.
You know, like it's a
yeah,
commitment.
if you want to, I mean, like it really is like you work out to feel good, or you have a goal
You
that
have
you
a
want
goal,
to hit. Then I will
you
tell
know?
you.
Yeah.
What you
Don't
should
eat
do.
this,
Don't-
don't eat that. But that's dependent on
On
what
the
you
person.
want.
Yeah.
If you just want a nice, balanced, healthy life, have your 3 square meals, eat everything in moderation. I think moderation
5,
is the
6
key,
is
right?
good.
I mean, our
What
guys
does
have like.
moderation mean for you? Because now
That's the
for
thing, that's the
Sri
thing,
Lanka,
quantity.
Not me, but
Mm,
like there are a lot of people I've seen.
They
Battega.
do-
ඒක තමයි
Rice.
බත්තක මෙහෙම දාලා. That's the thing. So that's like way too much carbs. Unless you're going to burn all of those carbs, which I don't think we really do on a daily
Yeah.
basis.
Actually.
So unless you're going to burn those carbs, you don't have to have rice like that. It's a cup of rice. I think that's the standard 1 cup of
250.
rice.
No, the thing is like when
Protein
you
and
eat
veg.
all this rice, you feel.
You feel
Yeah.
full.
Yeah.
Then it's like that feeling is good.
But then you're never going to burn all that calories, all that rice
Yeah.
you eat.
Right.
So I think moderation, everything. If you want a piece of cake, have a piece of cake, but don't eat like
Enjoy life,
rice,
right?
like
Enjoy life. I mean, you
That's
want to
what
do-
we
Right.
normally say. Just
Yeah.
you can
Balanced
eat, you
life.
can drink,
Yeah.
but put fitness into your routine as
Routine.
well.
Then you can balance it and go and then lead a happy life. You don't have to deprive yourself of food and drink.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I love my wine. I love my alcohol,
Yeah.
especially wine actually.
Yeah.
These days I'm going on like this 21-day ab thing,
Cleanse.
cleansing where I'm like
Okay.
trying to stay away from
A
alcohol and
detoxing
like eat,
period.
and eating better and stuff. And you won't see the difference immediately, but you feel the difference. But that's again, like Al said, because I have a goal to reach.
Mm.
I have that 21-day thing to reach, and my mission.
Mm.
After I complete it, I'm gonna go back to my normal life because I need to live.
Yeah.
So
You need to live life.
So
it's
do
just
you
gotta be
have,
real.
Different, difficult clients to work with. I'm pretty sure.
Define
I
difficult.
think in any
Ooh.
industry you will.
I mean, if you have a story, we will say
No,
that's difficult.
I will. No, you have the. I think that if the client is we don't connect with that with the client will not come back.
Yeah.
To
Yeah,
be honest,
yeah.
so it's
Yeah.
no, because it
Yeah, you
happens.
can't say difficult.
Sometimes I
No, can be difficult. Like do this.
I
Some
want
people you can
these
shout.
results, but I don't get them.
Yeah,
that type of
yeah.
behavior.
Because some clients don't understand the work you have to put in to get that result.
Yeah, like
So in that sense.
Yeah, no, it's like coming one time per week, I will lose weight. It's,
No. Yeah.
It's like studying one time per
Yeah.
week. You
Yeah.
have your qualification, like
Yeah.
a lawyer.
Then you must be
No.
really lucky or really
No, this
smart.
is like that. So, for example, when you go to the university,
yeah.
you have to really work really hard every
Yeah.
day studying to pass all the tests, no?
yeah.
So, do you think that when your body is going to be different?
One.
I
yeah.
did 2 times biceps? No.
No.
You have to
Consistently done.
But to
exactly.
be very honest,
Okay.
I've not really had a difficult client like that.
Okay.
There are some people who ask me questions and sometimes they're unrealistic and
What are they?
they set out goals like, can I lose this amount of weight in this amount of time, or
Mhm.
can I be like this and that, and I'm like, here I'm gonna dish you the real deal.
Yeah.
Here's what it is. If you want to be like this, do this. If you want to be like this, do that. And
No, it's-
sometimes
it's
it's
coming to my mind now.
unrealistic.
Tell the story. Tell the story.
No, it's not a story, it's a story. It's just like, oh, I don't lose here, whatever.
Wait, so the
So-
thing.
No,
No,
typical
some
thing.
people are, okay.
No,
that's it.
Wait.
No,
First,
the thing- wait.
one
Wait,
second. So, let me finish.
There's the person who didn't want to come for the interview. No.
He's enjoying it.
Okay.
No, because the thing is, imagine you come to me, oh, I want to like I lost weight or whatever, and I tell you everything that you have to do.
Yeah.
You're like, yes, I come into the gym, and you come to me, it's like, I'm not losing it, whatever. And later I go on Friday, Paris Street, and you are like smashing the single malt. And it's like, hello.
No wonder.
Some weekdays you come to complaining, but Friday, Saturday, Sunday you are on the floor.
Ah,
So that happened a lot.
that happens. Then what I wanted to say was a lot of girls come, probably to you as well, and say, no, I just want to like tone up and like get lean and just lose my stomach only.
Yeah.
No, wait. No, and then they're like, oh no, but I don't want to do weights because I don't want to get muscles. I don't want to get muscular.
Mm.
And I'm like, darling, do you know how hard it is to even gain muscle?
Yeah.
Is it
Especially
very hard?
being a woman, you have more estrogen.
Oh, no.
It's not easy for you to gain muscle. So don't be afraid to pick up a weight. Just because you pick up a 2-kilogram dumbbell, you are not going to get muscle. It's incredibly difficult
Back in the day, they
for
want to finish
women
like these
to gain
bodybuilders.
muscle. You have to put in a lot of work, a lot of hard work. So then a lot of girls will come and say, oh my god, I don't want to do weights because I'm going to get muscles.
Yeah.
And you're like, no, you
Oh, no.
won't. Don't
That's
worry.
common.
You
No,
won't.
no worries, it's not going to
It's
happen.
not
Yeah.
gonna happen even if you try.
Yeah. That's
No, if you gotta try really hard. What I mean to say is they may not know exactly what it takes or how hard it is to like get that body you see on Instagram,
The
you
Instabot.
see on Instabots, you see it everywhere, and
They
work
live
hard. They
for
live
that.
for that.
Okay,
It's
so
their
like,
life.
since you're talking about Instagram,
Yes, let's go to that.
you know,
Let's go
do
there.
you think Instagram has like a lot of unrealistic expectations
Yes.
of people?
It
Like if you want to like talk
Yes.
about that, because you are someone who is out there,
They
right?
selling, they use the people and the what's the word like they don't know.
Exploit.
No, they imagine I have no knowledge of anything. They show me it's like with this you are going to lose 20 kilos in 1 week, muscles or whatever,
Yeah.
and they sell you the products. It's how you, or in
But
2 weeks you are
that's-
going to lose 10.
But
Yeah.
that's advertising since the day
But
of
it's
time.
what the people look at today. It's like a quick.
But here's the thing,
They
I have
want,
to
what do
actually
you call it?
quick
Instant-
results,
instant.
sorry, instant results. But
Instant
here's
results.
something that I want to point out about Instagram. I feel like yes, you have unrealistic goals and all these like Insta fitness or Insta models or celebrities on Instagram who are portraying their bodies and portraying what they eat, their lifestyles, which to a certain extent is not real. You
Yeah,
know,
it's not real.
you have that side. Then again, I feel like towards the last few years or last few days, not days, years, Instagram got very real as well, and normal
Yes,
people
they fit it.
gained a lot of traction
Yes.
just being real.
Positive.
So you see a lot of girls with stretch marks. You see a lot of girls with like natural body shapes.
Yes.
Just exposing it. I'm not going to say exposing, but more like being confident about who they are,
Yeah.
accepting that that is
Body
real and putting it out there,
positivity.
being
Yeah.
body positive.
Yeah.
And that's
Yeah.
a huge turn that came in fashion as well.
Yeah.
That's why brands like Victoria's Secret really dived. I'm talking because I'm in the industry.
Yeah.
they really dive because they sold like this unrealistic Victoria's Secret
The
angels.
mold.
Like, I mean, those women are amazing. They work very hard for their
Yeah.
body type, and that is their natural body type as well. They're beautiful, but they are unrealistic.
Not everyone
They
looks
don't
like that.
represent the large population of women in the world.
Yeah.
Because the ladies that come to buy Victoria's Secret is not
Like
not
that.
like them.
Yeah.
And that's a realistic view for anything. I just took VS for an example.
Yeah.
But if you take Instagram as well, it's the same thing. You have that unrealistic realm, and then fortunately, you've got this side of realism
The
to it
realism.
as well.
Yeah.
Some people are really keeping it real, and props to them. I'm so happy that that side is there. And
Yeah.
all I can say is to the people who are on Instagram and doing that whole IG lifestyle, like keep it real and keep try to be true to yourself
Be
as
you.
much as you can.
Yeah.
I mean, God, even I
Yeah.
have set a filter. I mean, I'm
Yeah.
not gonna say that all my images are unedited, whatever I'm gonna show all
Wait,
my
what?
blemish. It's not. I definitely
Nah.
put a filter.
Yeah.
And definitely I'm like, oh my God, I look fat in that, I can't put that.
Yeah.
I will look for the best angle.
Mhm.
All those things are given.
That's
But I
human,
mean,
yeah.
keep it real as much as you can, is
Yeah.
all I can
So
say.
like, what do you think of our Sri Lankan kind of Instagram?
Yeah,
That's a
there's
good-
a lot
that's
of
a good
that's the thing. There is a lot of like plus and minus. There are girls and boys who are doing their thing and are very genuine
Mhm.
online, and then there are some who kind of do it for Instagram, like they
put
just
insane
do it for the sake of
efforts
it,
for
and how many likes do I have and how many followers do I have, and if they
Yeah.
lose followers they go insane, and if they don't
Yes.
get the amount of likes it's like the end of the world. And if you let Instagram take over your life that way, oh my
Mm.
gosh, you're done for. I feel like
Yeah.
you need a life to
Yeah.
begin with that you can then portray onto
That's true.
Instagram or portray onto anything. Fine. But if you make Instagram your
Your life.
platform
Yeah.
to build a life, you're done.
Sorry, honey. Sorry.
Yeah. So like, is there anyone that you look up to, like
Ooh.
over here?
You mean like on like a social media?
Yes, no, so-
Yeah,
platform,
social
yeah?
media.
So in like
Maybe
a
it doesn't have to
Perspective-wise,
be
like
Lankan
Sri
or someone
Lankan
else.
people
Like you-
tend to look at you guys.
Mm.
I'm
Oh my
out of
God,
that.
really? Wow.
Yeah.
Why?
Social media
This
thing,
is-
Instagram is hell. I'm
This
out.
is actually that's a good question, because there are lots of young kids out there who are on Instagram that are very talented.
Yeah.
Like I look at some of their layouts, their edits, and how they promote things, and they're so talented, they're so creative. As much as I appreciate all of that, maybe it's my generation as well, but ever since I was a kid,
Yeah.
I used to look up to Otara.
All
I
right.
always looked up to her as a
Yeah.
woman, as a businesswoman, how she started her business and where she is
Big
now.
celebrity
Yeah.
girl.
And look at her on social media. She has an amazing following, and that's not because she's like this Instagram star,
Right.
but
She's
it's
been
because of
herself.
who she is.
Yes.
Herself.
Right? And I
Yes.
liked her. I think she was sort of a role model to me, like from the beginning. I liked
Mm.
what she stood for and who she is.
Yeah.
And although she's not the question that you asked, this so-called Instagram person
Yeah.
I look up to, but she is that person I would follow,
Yeah.
whether it be in the real world or Instagram.
Yeah.
Mm.
Because
So, yeah, that would be-
she has like like her path. If you look at it,
The
her
growth.
story,
The
growth,
journey.
it's
Yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah,
Nice.
Right? And
exactly.
look at her now.
Look at
You
her
know?
now.
Like,
And like
people
as a
saw her.
girl, like when I was really young, like I don't think we had those kind of female role models to look up to, and she was one. My mom asked me like when I was very young, oh, who would you like to be like when you grow up? I know I'm not in that field, it's different.
Yeah.
But I used to say I really like Otara. I like where she's at, I like where she's gone. So like,
Yeah.
she's a female figure that I'm inspired by.
Yeah.
Mm.
I think that's something to learn from, right? Even I personally like her too because I'm a designer,
Right.
and
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
she's an amazing person,
Exactly.
right? So another thing, like, so you're also a product developer, right?
Yes.
At Mark and Spencer.
Mark
Let's
so,
talk about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
yeah,
So let's
yeah.
talk about that. Like, what
So I worked at MAS for 5.5 years. So when I graduated in UK,
How
came
was the
down.
experience at MAS?
MAS was a real learning curve. I
Mm.
mean, like in any work environment, there's lots of politics.
Mm.
So you have to take any job with like the good
Yeah.
and the bad, right?
Yes.
And
Big
MAS
and
is
good.
no
Yeah.
exception.
Yes,
It had
yes.
all of that, and I felt like I learned a lot at MAS to
Mm.
deal with all those politics and deal with people in a working environment. And that was sort of my stepping stone to then join Marks and Spencer. So
Mm.
finally, Marks and Spencer is like a brand point of view, and MAS was like a vendor point of view. No? I mean, you would know as a
Yeah.
fashion designer.
Yeah.
So So that MAS really helped me to then come into Marks and Spencer and look at things from a different angle. So look at things from a brand angle.
Yeah.
Work there is quite challenging. It's very stressful. It's very demanding.
Yeah.
We work according to like UK needs, UK times. So sometimes I've got to balance that with all the other things that I do.
Yeah, yeah.
But they're
How
very
did you
good.
balance? How was your?
No, they're very good. I mean, my working hours are 9 to 6,
Mhm.
and then when I finish at 6, like they're very supportive of my, dancing and fitness, and
Yeah, because you
they
do so much of
encourage it
things.
Yeah,
if at all.
correct.
Like I'm thinking, how do you
Like,
have
how do you have so much of time?
Right?
I don't know.
I'm a good driver.
Okay.
Oh no, you don't drive me around. Don't say that. No. Well, today you did, but but no, it's also I love what I do. So like I like the work I do at Marks and Spencer. I enjoy it because I went from designer to product developer. So
Mhm.
the role is somewhat it changes a
Yeah,
bit.
the transition.
A bit, but same field of course, different challenges, but
Mm.
it's good. Yeah, and the rest of the things that I do, I don't feel like it's work.
It's like
For me.
something you enjoy,
Just-
It's like
I love it. It's like a de-stress,
passion.
like passion.
She loves to be busy,
No, I love to do the things I love to do.
to get busy.
In turn, I am busy doing the things I love to do.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But that's a good thing, right? Rather
Yeah.
than just sitting and just not doing
Right.
Yeah.
anything,
Exactly.
right?
Sometimes
Exactly.
you
And you
like-
actually, I think people like you for who you are, right?
Yes.
Like-
So,
No,
No,
because I feel
you
like
do.
there might be people who want to be like you.
Yeah.
Like not like you, but
Like
like
it's-
follow your path. Just
Right,
like a
yeah.
Nakara kind of thing.
yeah.
You know?
Oh, that would be lovely.
No,
I think people are.
Gosh,
You know,
Yeah,
that's amazing.
Because I feel like the people
So
who also
sweet.
join TNA
Yeah.
are the kind of people who are like, okay, she's actually doing something.
Yeah,
so let me
yeah,
go there.
yeah, yeah,
You
yeah.
know? I feel like that's why people come in there because they
Oh.
like who you are. and what
Different
you do,
fitness
right?
instructor.
So that's what
So
it
Non
is.
sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like talking about Sri Lanka. So why
Yes.
did you think of doing this in Sri Lanka? You could have gone to Spain and done something like this,
Spain.
right?
Actually, I don't know if I could have done what I do here in Spain because, to be
Yeah.
honest, that's something that Al said as well. Like here, I have my family, and I think
Okay.
Colombo or Sri Lanka works. You know how we work. It's all about
That's
who you know and the
And
connections
the
you
connection.
make. And I don't mean connections like who you know, like I can
Yeah.
get in here, there, and everywhere.
Yeah.
But I mean, people. It's like the people you make, the people you meet. Like I've met you guys
Yeah.
today,
Mm.
and you don't know tomorrow we could be helping each other out with
Yeah.
something else
Yeah.
because we've
Yeah.
made a connection here now.
Yeah.
So that is the way Colombo works, right? It's a
Mm.
close knit society.
Yeah.
In Spain or Europe or wherever else in the world, I think it's different. The competition
You
is
mean
higher.
I think that here for us to create what we did with the studio and everything is much easier than if we are living in UK or in Spain because it will be like 1,000 times more expensive.
Expensive or
Okay.
difficult.
Or, yeah, or
Because
hard to
right.
create a
competition.
Yeah.
to create a business exactly.
There
Or
is
the
so many
competition.
people like
I
me
agree.
and so many people like him, so many girls like me dancing and doing so many things. And
You
sounds
have, for
like
example,
very
this
nice.
massive fitness center that you put 100 rupees, you have the whole year,
Yeah.
for example.
Alright,
So,
yeah.
if you want to do something,
Mm.
has to be really different or
Something-
to break into the market. It's
So I would say it's harder.
so-
Yeah.
So, but over here you get the resources, right?
Get
Yeah.
the resources,
No, no,
family support. I think
Yeah.
Yeah.
Family
support of a
that's what we
family is
talk about.
And as
everything.
We were also
well,
talking
thing
about
is,
that.
is
Yeah.
so much
Yeah.
to be done
Our
here.
families, the culture here.
They will support
help
you.
no matter what. Now
Yeah.
we're starting this little thing. Mom
Yeah.
and dad, mama is there.
They
Always.
are there. They're there for you. And that
No,
support
and
is
as
a
well,
lot.
I think that the fitness here in Sri Lanka still is
Starting.
starting. So then is
Yeah.
if you grab the wave from the beginning,
Yeah.
when this grow, you are going to be there.
Mm.
But if it's already running and you want to get inside, it will be much harder. So
Yeah.
basically, I think
Yeah, that's
Sri Lanka
also
is a
true.
place that maybe can be hard to open something to create something, but if
Yeah.
you
But
create
if you
it at
have
the right
something good
time,
going on,
Yeah.
then you
It
can
will be the
sustain
perfect
it. Then
place.
it will be the
Exactly,
perfect place to
because-
grow
Yeah.
as a brand,
I think
right?
it's
still
just
here is a lot to be done.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
remember you were saying
What do you
when
what do you
sorry.
think? What do you think Sri Lanka has when you say a lot to be done? I would like to know.
Yeah.
Like,
from
Okay, all right.
Please.
I will tell you what I used to say to everyone.
Yes,
okay, you
please.
guys have like many years
Yeah.
with lot of troubles. We
Okay.
are doing like 25, 30 years.
So
Basically,
yes.
when the war finished, your country was not in the 2000s.
Yeah.
It was in the 80s
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
because to be honest, in general, everybody was focusing in different things. Like just go day by day, don't get in trouble, or even the proper.
Yeah.
All the investment was not to build roads or to develop
It
things.
was
Was
to
to
keep safety.
or whatever.
War.
Okay, so
Yeah.
this happened 10 years ago.
Yeah.
Exactly. So your first highway, for example, was in 2009, 2010.
Yeah.
So everybody say, oh, before go to goal was like a long weekend
Yeah,
trip
it
of
was
1
like
week, and
six
now we can
to
go
7 hours.
for lunch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that developed all down south, developed insane because
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
So it's what I mean.
Yeah.
So 10 years ago, 15 years ago, you don't have that because move here is really hard.
Yeah.
With all the business the same. So all the investment from overseas or the people to create something, it was not the chance to do it. Right now, when I came here, it was really hard to find a place to drink a coffee.
Really?
Well,
That's what I was gonna say. Where
Yeah.
he always
Oh,
talks
exactly,
about
no?
coffee.
Exactly.
Because Al, where he's from Spain, like core culture is like
No,
coffee.
not UK.
morning,
UK actually
not
was-
UK as well.
Yeah.
Coffee.
But if,
And he couldn't find a coffee
but
shop
think
here.
about that, about all the little coffee shops that,
That
in the
came
last
up.
2-3 years came
It's
up.
open.
Exactly.
All the restaurants and the quality is amazing.
Quality
You don't
is
have
top. We
that-
don't have that in Europe or
I
like
feel because of
some
the war,
places.
our
See-
country had so much of potential,
Sure,
but we
and-
were
Yeah,
just
exactly.
numbed
Stifled.
I think that the young
Yes.
people here is
Oh yeah,
really
yeah.
good. It's a
Because
pity
the
that the
young
half
people
of the
have
young
gone
people is
abroad.
overseas.
Yes.
No, but they've come back. So I feel like most of these cafes and restaurants are born out of that. You know, they've come back. They've come.
Yeah,
back
but
to the
still, it's
culture.
not easy to.
Yeah.
It's not easy, but we have it.
It's what I mean. If you
Yeah, I
think 5 years ago to
Yeah.
now, the develop
Yeah.
of the city, the develop
Yeah.
of the small business,
Yeah.
because you are here every day and then it's like you don't. But
Yeah.
if you really stop and think about that,
Mhm.
5 years ago is when I
Yeah.
came here. 5 years and a half.
Oh, that's a long
The
time.
change is insane in 5 years.
You must see the difference.
Here,
right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Because for us, we don't really realize
Yeah.
it as much.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's what
But
I mean.
you
So right now it still is long way to go. A lot of business that you go to Europe, you go to States, and you see all these new things. And
Yeah.
here, as you said as well,
Yeah.
is coming like 4-5 years. No, I don't know. This guy told me before. We are like a 4 years, 5 years behind everything
Yeah,
until
yeah.
Yeah.
come here.
But having said that, Al, like when you go to the States as well, you see immense poverty also.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah.
It's
definitely.
such a contrast, like amongst like those skyscrapers
Yeah,
and
probably when you go to California, you get all the.
you see
Yeah.
real poverty, and I like
But
it's
see, you
shock.
say it's more portrayed on media as good, but then when you walk,
Yeah. When you
Yeah.
actually walk the streets, you
a
see
different
both
picture.
sides
Yeah.
to the story. It's crazy.
Because I think media kind of portrays you
Of
the good side
course.
always, right?
And we are so convinced by the US
No,
culture.
you can live. No, you live very well.
Movies
here. You
and
can live very
everything.
Yeah,
well
I
here.
think
Yeah.
movies are so deceiving.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah. So that's all we see, but it's
Yeah.
not reality.
Yeah, that's what we're even like, having this conversation. 'Cause
Yeah.
We need people to know the truth,
Yeah,
right? It's
yeah,
not as
yeah.
easy as it sounds,
No,
right?
of course not.
It's not even to like develop a brand.
when
I
it
don't
comes
think
to
it's easy.
building a brand in Sri Lanka, you just
Yeah.
want. It's not easy.
No
You need time.
way. You
Time
need
out.
time. You need money. You need money again.
Exactly.
It's not easy.
And for people to like, cause like you said, because of war, people are so used to this, their kind of thing,
Yeah,
and to drive them out of it, it takes time.
it takes
right?
time. It takes
So like,
time. Yeah,
it's a process.
absolutely.
So we're actually really happy to see like people like you doing something. Like
Yes, actually
I think
standing
even-
out through this, even
Yeah.
though even if it's tough.
Yeah.
Standing.
Yeah.
Because
It's
like-
going to be
yeah.
tough. There are days that we have really low days
Mm-hmm.
where like we don't have customers or the situation in the country is such
Yeah.
COVID and everything.
Yeah.
But you just have to be authentic and keep going. Just
Yeah.
don't let the bad times get you down because you will definitely have bad times. But you can't let it overcome you, right?
Yeah.
That's it.
So like, let's talk about TikTok.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now I'm out.
On a lighter note.
This is where it gets
my
up.
God,
No,
you
don't even-
stay.
Yeah.
No way, you stay. What do you mean?
So like, what do you think? I think it's kind of same, like a similar kind of concept to Instagram, right? But it's very different, like in its own
No,
way.
I think TikTok's very different
Yeah,
actually.
yeah.
Because I mean, the reason I got into TikTok is again blame it on COVID.
Yeah.
And one of my friends was like, you should try TikTok because it's all about dancing.
Yeah,
You're gonna like it.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, okay. When I did one routine, okay, like 20 routines later, I'm like doing a TikTok every
Yeah,
day because
yeah.
it's so entertaining and it's so
Yeah.
much fun. I've roped
Yeah.
him into like
nothing
a couple of
else to do,
TikToks.
no? At that time as well.
TikTok is a good platform. Like I've seen people do like really creative stuff on TikTok.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like all those like lip syncing stuff and some people like cook on TikTok and you get super talented dancers on TikTok.
Dancers.
Not just TikTok dancers but like
Yeah.
real dancers.
So you must be
there.
loving it because you are dancing, you're passionate about dance. And
I
then you
love for
see-
me it's fun. Like
Yeah.
it's like a nice like fun little, of course I like hop on the trends and whatever's trending and stuff. It's just fun for me.
Yeah.
Like I don't take TikTok too seriously.
yeah.
So I know a lot of people have like this
Mhm.
negativity
Mhm.
towards TikTok, but it's just a bit of fun. I wouldn't say what Al, what do you want to say? His face.
Someone who doesn't use.
I don't even
TikTok.
have it.
He doesn't have it, but then okay, so I got him roped into this thing called Awkward Puppets. You would have heard it on TikTok.
No.
It's very popular.
Okay,
It's very popular.
Yeah.
So it's this Mexican character puppet, very racist and very funny. Okay, very very racist. And then his wife Benita, and like they say all these like funny things, right? So it's a lip syncing thing on TikTok.
Okay.
Got famous on TikTok, but
Mhm.
actually it's this guy Rudy, I think his name is. He's got his own YouTube thing, and
Wait,
Awkward Puppets
is
they
this
have
like-
their own YouTube. Channel.
Okay.
So since I got him into doing like one of these lip syncing things with me, he went on like a frenzy researching Awkward Puppets, and he's like, Tari, look at this episode. Then I caught him like checking them out.
I like watch it.
Oh, you played Vinita so well. He had the flowers in the hair and the scarf and
Alright.
everything.
And the thread. Of course.
I will pull out the TikToks after this interview. You can
Yes,
see.
yes.
He was well into the character. Okay, so I think he
I
secretly
think
likes
this is
it.
what it is, right? You start TikTok saying I don't like
I don't
it.
want it.
Right?
I don't want it.
And then you're like, oh my god, it's so cool.
There you go.
That's
And then you just go and you watch and you're like, damn.
No, it's addictive. It's
Right?
addictive. You just keep scrolling. It's very addictive. It's just like a loop. So
Yes.
addictive. It's so addictive. I
And
spend
then
hours on it.
Yeah.
And okay, he'll make these faces,
Yeah.
but while I'm watching TikTok, he'll be like at the back like, pretty girl. Or like so many pretty girls on TikTok and
Yeah.
boys. My gosh, I think it's a great platform for people to just like showcase their talents. You know,
Yeah.
it just,
Yeah,
It's
I think it is.
it's fun. It's
Fun.
fun. I like
And
it.
it's nice to see there's a community building up here as well.
Yes.
It's a good TikTok community
It's a
here,
really
isn't
good
there?
one.
I
Yeah.
know.
And like I'm really happy that it's happening.
I know. Good
Like,
for
a lot of people
everyone.
use TikTok, they don't like TikTok.
Yeah,
I don't know
yeah.
why.
Yeah. There is a bit of TikTok stigma, isn't
Why is
there?
that?
I don't know.
I'm
No,
trying to figure out.
I think what they say
know.
is like child sexuality. You know when you get like.
True.
That's fine.
Yeah, but I think that's like the main.
No, but then again, you can't blame TikTok for that
Cool
because
looks. You can look one girl
Yeah.
dancing, looking good, and that's it. Or you can see the same girl and think in the opposite
Yeah.
direction. It's the mentality of the people.
no. What I mean is, you can't blame TikTok for that because
Yeah.
I mean, I think
No,
it's like
some people exploit that.
they do.
But some people
Because
want
at the
views
end-
also.
at the end, in
Some
the long
people
term,
need
for some
views.
people it's
And
more-
then when you incorporate that, whatever
Yeah,
those things, yes.
I know
So
what
okay,
you mean.
let's talk about like no, yes, TikTok. It's also a really good platform for you to market your brand, right?
Oh, for sure. Although I haven't really got into like marketing.
No, in TikTok,
TNA
no.
fitness as
No?
much on
Not
TikTok,
honest.
but like off and on I will put like a dance fitness video or whatever on there.
I've seen quite a few brands also which do that.
Yes, and it works very well for them. However, I don't feel like we have hopped onto the
Not
platform
yet.
of
Not yet.
not yet of marketing on TikTok yet. So
It's-
right
it's
now,
it's a pain. Try to do the Instagram,
Instagram.
the Facebook.
Instagram is a pain enough.
I create the page in Facebook and I don't know how to access.
Yeah.
So that's the level of.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because like it keeps on changing, right? Instagram changes, everything changes. Even
Exactly,
Facebook keeps on changing, right?
changes.
So
Yeah.
you have to keep up. You have to always.
Yeah, and
look at
like
it,
we
watch
don't
it.
have time for that. So then we have to like hire social media help externally because like I
We
don't have
really
the
know how
time to
do
be
it
managing
proper,
accounts.
to be honest.
Yeah, and I don't think we take full benefit of those platforms either
Yeah.
because there are so many marketing tools.
Mhm.
You check the hashtags, you have to see when people are active, you put it at the right time. No.
Yeah.
That's for a business profile, you
Yeah.
need to do that, but we don't, is what we're saying. Because he's a fitness person, I do a million other things. So I don't have the time to sit and see what time people are. Like even my own Instagram, I don't look at it that way. I just post as and when I feel like
Actually, I
it.
just started to use Instagram when I came here because she pushed me to that. It's like
Because as I
because
look,
the
it's
people-
important. People, you need to get the word
Yeah,
out
yeah.
too.
because if it's me, I will put a picture of a burger and a beer.
Yeah, he will.
That's it. No,
That's it.
so I have to start to promote myself, which I don't like it. I don't know.
So you're not into self-branding. Basically, it's like
no, because I don't feel comfortable.
I
for
think
something
I
like this.
am.
I think you.
I
yourself
am.
You
But
are.
I don't
She's
think he is.
because he's more authentic
Out
when she
there.
talks or whatever.
Yeah.
I don't like work out. No, I it's not
Yeah,
on me.
it's not
Yeah,
his character.
Yeah.
But for me, yes, it is. Like I am into self-branding, if you want to call it that. But I don't
But
think
it became very naturally on you.
Yeah,
to be
yeah,
honest.
I-
Because
She's
I
like
remember
natural, yeah.
what happened. I remember like 2 years ago, 3 years ago. She always had people approaching her for to do some stuff. But at one point, I think a hotel or whatever. Come to do this, come to do that. And I saw it. Taria, this year is going to be totally different.
Yeah.
And I think 2 years ago is when really like
it boomed.
it boomed. All the brands, come to this place, come to this place. It was like she had no even time to do that. I said, sorry, I can't.
Yeah,
sorry,
it's
I
true
can't.
because it started off with like
But very
a
natural.
cafe
She
inviting
never
or a
approached
hotel
anyone
inviting.
to do
Actually,
anything.
that's true. I've never
She
actually
never
approached
approached
anyone.
anyone.
I never approach anyone. I'm never up to date. I haven't approached anyone.
So it
So
became
that
very
shows.
like
Yeah.
very gradually start to can you come here? Can you do this? Can you promote that? And at one point, again, like the fitness start from she was promoting friends or whatever brands she likes to promote like a local.
Yeah, like
Local
whatever
brand.
Yeah,
I
exactly.
want to shout out, I will shout it
Yeah.
out.
So little by little, people start to approach her to promote the things.
Yeah.
So
It was a natural transition.
Transition.
Because my Instagram was a normal Instagram page.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It wasn't a business brand page or whatever.
So that shows actually. That's why like
Yeah.
we saw that thing in you, right? It's like you are natural, and whatever you do, you just post it, right? You don't
Yeah,
think,
yeah. I don't think of like
Yeah.
timing or is it good or bad or whatever. Like if I feel like I want to do it in my heart,
I
I'll
think
do
like
it.
a lot.
Yeah.
To like, I overthink like, oh god, because it goes in loop also.
Yeah.
Oh my god, like it keeps on getting uglier.
Yeah, the more you look at it, the
What is
more
happening?
okay.
It keeps on getting uglier.
Oh.
Yeah.
But like
gosh.
when you like keep on looking, it's like,
that's me.
That happens, right?
Oh my god, this is fun.
Al gets really conscious.
Yeah, yeah.
He gets
Yeah,
really
yeah,
conscious.
but yeah. So Taria,
Yes.
if you were to talk about your future ventures
Yeah.
as the last.
Future
Question.
ventures is the last question. Okay, so
So,
yeah, no,
Sure.
I think like so for this year we have a dance show planned out which we were supposed to do last year with Auntie Naomi Rajaratnam.
Oh,
So
yeah.
so
Yeah.
last year 2 years ago we did a show. Which went off really well, and then we were supposed to do one last year but couldn't because of COVID, so now it's going to happen this year. So that's like what I am working towards in the near future. And besides that, I mean, it's building TNA, it's
Yeah.
seeing how far I can take the brand, how far I can grow as a person, as an individual in my own dance fitness class and as a dancer. And I have now slowly started teaching dance as well because I felt like I didn't have the time to do that. But now with the studio, it's given me the opportunity to do my own classes.
Yeah.
So I've started doing bachata, salsa, like freestyle, not partner work. And then I'll start with the ballroom dancing classes as well, but solo,
Yeah.
not partner work yet.
Yeah.
It's one dance a month. So every Wednesday I've started doing 6:30 to 7:30. One dance a month
week.
will be once a week, per week. So that's also something new for me. Yeah, let's see how these things go, you know.
Yeah,
Yes.
definitely.
Just
I definitely
growing everything
see you
started.
Growing.
Yeah.
You just start and you'll get there.
I really hope so.
We're definitely
because-
having the season 2.
Yes.
Yay!
Yes. Please come.
And season 2 will be like,
Yeah.
so remember the chat we had the last time?
Yes.
Now you're like, oh,
No,
no.
God. I hope. Let's see.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah.
So
Hope for the
thank you
best.
so much again.
Thank you.
Thank you for
Thank
coming.
you.
So guys, that's the conclusion of the 5th episode of the Decode podcast. Guys,